Hello, I'm Danny and welcome back to Project Ford UK. As you've probably seen with the thumbnail, I bought myself a cheeky little Citroen Saxo VTR. It's a 2001, it's in black, and I know most of you are probably thinking it's an absolute piece of SHIT, but I promise you it's not, even though it is. It ain't going to take much to fix this car up, hopefully. There's million bits out there for a Citroen Saxo. I bought this off a friend at Christmas. He didn't really want to sell it, but I got it off him anyway. I got it for a bargain price as well. It's got no MOT on it at the moment, but I'm going to do what I like to do best now, go outside the car and give you a full walk round. Let's start off at the front here. Got some damage on this bumper, bit of a chip there. The bonnet's in alright condition, a few scratches. Here you can see we've got corrosion around both washer jets. I genuinely believe that's from someone having some LED chrome washer jets on this car at some point. Same again up here on the roof. Got bubbling around the aerial. Looks like it's been sealed in as well. That's definitely had some aftermarket aerial on in its time, as they all did with these Saxos. Wheels have been painted. You can even notice there's a wheel nut missing there. That's probably from when they had locking wheel nuts on. Side of the car, it needs a good clean, this, but I don't think it's in too bad shape for its year. I can't remember what these were called. I think they were maybe M3 style mirrors. Around the back of the car, standard tinted rear lights as you would on a Saxo. Very bad tints. The sunroof on this car is leaking as well, which is a bit of a shame, but I can take that out and reseal it. I just love these things. It's a rare one, this, as well, with it not actually being lowered. Two more bins there outside of my bin. It's not a bad looking car. It's been debadged on the back. Let's have a look in the boot. Bit of a slanty exhaust pipe there. These are your usual problem areas. I think where feels a bit damp there as well. Same on this side. I'll have to take that off at some point. No parcel shelf, that's missing. But like I just said a minute ago, parts for these things are so cheap because they're just breaking them left, right and centre because they're rock boxes. I don't even know what it's going to look like underneath, but I don't think that's too bad of a looking car. I'll be looking forward to getting stuck into it. And now onto the interior of the car. You can see them nasty ass tints in the background. The lovely white dials that came on a Saxo. This car's done, I think, 87,778 miles. It's got the aftermarket head unit. I've no doubt this car had some subwoofers in it at some point. We've got trims missing on both sides from where they put these aftermarket mirrors on. I actually don't, oh there you go, I was going to say I don't even know how you lift this forward. Back seats have got mould on them. But again, that door doesn't shut proper, you have to be, so you shut it nice and softly. But coming round to this side, if you all remember from back in the day, that's how they used to get into them. Knock an hole inside or go through the lock and just lift the door lever up and then you'd be in. I think I'm going to try and get a new door, bonnet, backlights, wing mirrors and get this thing into the body shop. But if you can see here, this one's thrown a brick through window by the looks of it. It's dented the A-pillar, so I'm going to have to get that fixed and get a new screen in it and get it put in for its MOT. That's going to be the test for this car. If it goes through its MOT and it's had any welding done, it's been done to a decent standard, it'd be worth spending a bit of money getting this car back on road. Well, there you have it, people. That's the new latest project, the 2001 Citroen Saxo. I hope you're going to enjoy watching me do this car up and get it finished. Leave all your comments down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.